Across every corner of this planet, life moves with purpose. In the sky, beneath the waves, through the forests and desert winds, nature does not rest. It hunts, it flees, and sometimes it fights back. These are the moments when survival explodes into motion. The chases that shake the earth, the strikes that shatter silence, the battles that decide who lives and who becomes a story. High above the frozen cliffs, a shadow cuts through the cold. The golden eagle, a hunter born to conquer the impossible. One dive, one strike, and gravity becomes its weapon. Peregrine falcon versus pigeon. Fastest strike on Earth. Faster than any creature alive, the peregrine falcon falls like sharpened lightning. At 300 kilometers an hour, speed becomes death. Bald eagle versus salmon. River ambush. At the river's edge, patience and power take flight. The bald eagle knows the exact heartbeat when the river gives up its treasure. In the Amazon shadows, the harpy eagle moves like a phantom. One beat of its wings can silence the treetops. And when darkness falls, a silent hunter wakes. No sound, no warning, only the final whisper of wings in the night. Lion versus warthog, savannah sprint. On the hot breath of the savannah, the lion explodes from the grass. Strength meets speed, and only one will rise again. Leopard versus baboon, tree battle. In the branches above, danger does not always fall from the sky. Sometimes it climbs. Cheetah versus ostrich, speed against power. Speed rules the ground, but even the fastest. One truth binds all life. Survival is earned, never given. The hunters, the hunted, the sky warriors, the ocean kings. This is nature unleashed. This is Lost Claw.